Hi all, hope you are doing good. Maybe you had a good trading session today. So let's look at what we can, what happened today and what we can expect for tomorrow. So let's go to Nifty first on the candlesticks chart. Nifty has created a shooting star pattern and we are exactly at the RSI resistance here. Okay. Uh, so definitely, this is kind of a shooting star, but still we are in the bullish territory from the charts point of view. Okay, so let's see what happened onto the market profile chart on Nifty. So Nifty we opened, we came to yesterday's value area, the POC level. Sorry, not value area, the POC level, and then we went up, and then in the second half we saw a sharp selling, and we again retested the day's low. So kind of a zigzag movement. So down to up to down, and kind of a consolidation, with a bullish bias. So if I show you what happened on the order profile, it was a quiet day. If you see till A, B, C, D, we had very less volume till E as well. Then in the F session, we had some buying coming in at these levels. If you see 800 contracts, and then we had a follow through, but then this number never increased to much value. 3000 was today's highest if you see. So definitely, as per market order flow rule, if this volume is lower, then we don't see any trended move or in one sided move into the market. Always right now market would be for the scalping, and exactly same happened today. So today maybe option sellers day, not a option buyers day. Okay, so what is for tomorrow now? So if you see for tomorrow, while closing, there was a seller who sold around 1100 or 1200 contracts at this level. So this would act as a very important level for tomorrow. So this level, the sellers can be trapped, and if we open, let's say today's high, then we will have a, or if you go above today's high, then the sellers would definitely be trapped, plus there would be a failure of a pattern of a shooting star which can show a good movement. But as per our discussion, right now market can go or have a kind of a consolidation movement into it. So now if today's low is broken somehow in tomorrow's trade, then first target would be 17,620, and then this green zone should act as a good support for the market. So we'll see how it goes. Let's look at bank nifty. If I show you the chart on the bank nifty side, uh, bank nifty is exactly registering the super trend now from last 3 days, kind of a consolidation. But if you see from a trend line point of view, we broke the trend line. Now we came back to retest the trend line, and price exactly made a low near to the trend line, and then price closed above the trend line. So kind of a interesting setup right now. Definitely, more into consolidation phase, but I think the momentum is not yet moved to a bearish. So it is more either consolidation or a bullish momentum right now. So let's see what happened on the market profile charts for the bank nifty. So bank nifty also, went opened high, then we saw a low near to yesterday's low, and then we had a bounce back near to day high. Okay, and if you see my live session, in the live session I told you that okay, this is the zone, this yellow we marked, this is the zone which is making as the HV, kind of a high volume zone. And exactly, once market broke this zone, we saw a sharp downside movement. So in the puts, we this was a good movement because this important um, area was broken. And if you see from a selling point of view, definitely there were sellers in the market on the bank nifty side. We had a kind of a quiet day, but then the sellers increased at the end of the day, and we saw around 6,000 contracts sold, and not that big, but yes, definitely more weaker than the nifty. But if you see now, there was a seller with around 1,000 contract, let's say, at this level. So this was a level around 4,880. to 4886, 887 to 886. So this point will act as a good support or kind of a resistance tomorrow. So we need to really look for this level for the bank nifty for tomorrow. Okay, and then on the upside, definitely we have this level in mind, which is around uh, sorry. Hmm. No, there were two levels where we saw 1800 contracts buyed in the morning. Sorry, this is the level 41,075. So keep this two level under watch. Okay, if we able to close above 41,075 for a 15 minutes or and the price sustains above, definitely we're gonna see the upside movement into the bank nifty as well. So that's the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And if we broke the downside, definitely we're gonna test around 17,700. This level on the downside. If we broke the downside. Okay, and after 0.75, I think this is the important level we need to cross, which is around 41,200, and then maybe we can see this level, which is around 41,430. In the onto the bank nifty. So HDFC Bank exactly resisted the same resistance which we were talking about. So from here, I think from this day we were targeting this number. We got the number, and then we exactly took a support at this number. Market was not able to sustain above this, and we saw a sharp movement downside. So if we cross above this level tomorrow, or in coming days, we gonna see the higher targets into the HDFC Bank till at least 16,000, 1695 levels. So tomorrow, today's in high needs to be crossed for this. HDFC same way, had a good momentum, but then we saw a sharp selling, which was similar to the bank nifty side. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Kotak Bank, I'm still bullish on. If you see today, it took a support on the single print and then showed a move, and right now, it has closed kind of a sideways. So we'll see if we get a trending market tomorrow. We see that this will also show kind of a big movement. Yeah, Reliance, if you see, this is a kind of a emotional selling. When the market was falling, this line did not change. So this is kind of a emotional selling. So this area should act as a good resistance for now for Reliance. Maybe once we cross this, we gonna see the higher level, which is around 2377. Yeah, if you see, perfect sideways day for Larsen. So I think today most of the day was a sideways because Nifty was a sideways, and just to let's say how to predict this. To predict this, you have this order flow as the biggest weapon, so you can save your money while buying the options. So that's the point. And when you see the higher numbers on the order flow, that day you can carry your options to get the 3 to 4 times returns on your money. And when you see less amount here, you can do a scalping and have a both sided mind, moves in your mind, that market will not go one sided. So this way will definitely help you to save your money into the option buying. Okay, so that's for today. I think, as I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn about it, so that you can, do better into the market. So thanks for watching. We'll see tomorrow. We'll try to come online if possible, but let's see. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.